What a great time to be here, guys. It is. What should we do today? How about go to... Okay. Okay, guys. Now that we're at chair, let's do something. Okay, guys, we gotta look for something up here, okay? Let's get on the table. Yeah, let's go. Good. Now that we're here, let's go in here. Oh, that's a great idea. It is. I guess I'll go over here. Ugh. Yeah, me too. But we're still bored, guys. Me too. Look at this, guys. Oh, what is it? It's some reflection drinks. Oh, wow, it is lucky. Okay, let's go to the drinks. Okay, now that we're here. Oh, sorry, guys, I was wrong. Hey, where's Giant Red Teddy Bear? Help! I'm stuck over here. We gotta go get him. On the chair and on the floor. Help me. I got stuck. Okay, we'll get him. It's okay, Teddy. We got... My name is... Big Kiss Me Teddy Bear. Where's our big Kiss Me Teddy Bear? But I just found something. Oh, what is it? It's this. Ta-da! Oh, wow. It's a long pencil. It is. But we gotta make a bridge. Let's do that. Back on the chair. And back on the chair. Ooh, a basketball. Oh, guys, it's a beautiful day to be alive. It is. So, Bullseye, might I get a ride on us? Sure. Well, that was fun. It is. What was that? I don't know. Let's see what's happening, guys. Guys, what are you doing here? Oh, Gage was right on me. Get Bullseye. And look what we found. A basketball. Well, let's start into teams. Good, so let's play. Yeah. Oof. I got it. Oh. No, woo. Hey, I got it. Yeah. Oh. Hey, Trevor, let's go get her. Wah! Guys, don't do it. Let's go get the base. Let's go get the basketball. Okay, now the ball's back. Let's do this. Are you guys okay? Yes, we are. False alarm, as well as a let's play.